Hi, I'm Harish Godeti, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about Amazon Lightsail. Just want to share how I use Amazon Lightsail because I believe for any business owners, developers, Amazon Lightsail is a very good option. So I just want to share how I use it because anyway I'm gonna go ahead and set up one of the instances on it. So I just want to walk you through the whole process. So let's dive in. So what is Amazon Light Sale? Amazon Light Sale is the easiest way to get started with AWS. So it offers a bunch of services like containers, instances, databases, networking, storage, and then these are all you have like a fixed amount per month, like a $5 or $6, $10 per month, for which you can get a machine, and then you can go ahead and use that, and then discard it when you don't want it, right? So that's basically what Let's say is. So how do I use it? So for me it's really, if I need a server in the US region to do some testing, or if I need so today he really I'm planning to use it to use so Lightsail also offers instances with predefined images. So for example, today I'm going to use it to set up WordPress because I'm building the new website for my business on WordPress instead of Wix. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to walk you through how I can use Amazon Lightsail to set up a new website using WordPress. So let's start. So let's say we just do create an instance. I pick Linux, and you have 26 blueprints. Blueprints are nothing but the options that you have. So I'm going to select WordPress. I just have one site, so it's going to be WordPress. And then what we are going to select is we are going to select what is the pricing plan that we want. So price per month. So here, as you see, you got 1 GB RAM, 1 GB CPU, 40 GB SSD, 2 TB data transfer. So instead I want to go with this, which is really the 2 GB and 1 GB CPU, 60 GB and 3 TB. So this is what I want to go with. Here I will say WordPress optimize. Instance name, tags I'll add them later. Just say create instance, and it's just getting, it's spinning it now. I want a static IP for this instance. So I go ahead, create a static IP. I'll say static IP dash optimize, create. I got a static IP. But first, now it's really about going ahead and getting that instance, which is getting ready. And once this gets ready, then we're going to assign the static IP to this. So let's wait for it to complete. All right, so now the instance is up and running. So let's just associate the static IP to this. Select an instance. I'll select it. I'll attach it. All right. So now again go back to my instance. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to connect to this, and then actually get the password for the WordPress. So connect. Okay, so it's now connected to the instance. So I'm going to get the password for it for my WordPress. So let me go ahead and run the command. And got the password. So now what I can do is really Now I can just go ahead and connect to the WordPress instance. So in order to do that, what you do is you basically use the static IP address and the WordPress URL. So let me open up a new tab. So we use the static IP address and the URL to open the WordPress login, and I think here the user name is user. So we're going to change all these for security reasons later. But first, this is how you go ahead and log in, and that's it. You are in, you set up and launch your WordPress instance, right? So that's how easy it is to actually go ahead and do it. Now you get some themes out of the box, some themes already, that you can use, and then you can, if you have a theme, you can load it. So that's how you set up your WordPress on Lightsail. So the reason for this video is to just go over and explain how I use Lightsail, because you may ask, hey, why don't you set up your WordPress on production on normal EC2 instance and all of that stuff. So the this is just for the website. I don't expect, if in future there's so much traffic that users are coming into the site and stuff, I can just migrate the WordPress over there. It's no big deal. So for the moment, this is good enough for me to get started, and Lightsail provides a very easy way to do it. I don't need to configure all the networking, the VPC, and all of that stuff. This helps all of those things to it actually hides all this complexity. So I hope this video is useful. If you want to set up your WordPress using Lightsail, so go ahead, and this tutorial should help you. So go ahead and do it. Subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to share a lot of content on well-architected framework very shortly. Today is just a video on how to I just want to share how I use Lightsail. But yeah, let's get going with well-architected framework in the coming videos. Thank you.